What metrics would you use to evaluate the performance of a retrieval augmented generation RAG system, and why? Answer: evaluating the performance of a retrieval augmented generation RAG system is crucial to ensure it provides accurate, relevant, and high-quality responses. To achieve this, several key metrics can be used. Firstly, accuracy measures the relevance and correctness of generated responses. A higher accuracy indicates that the system retrieves and generates information that closely aligns with the user's query. This metric is essential as it directly impacts the user's experience and satisfaction. Secondly, precision and recall are critical metrics that assess the proportion of relevant information retrieved and the ability to capture all relevant information, respectively. A balanced precision-recall trade-off is essential for optimal performance. This is because high precision can lead to missing relevant information, while high recall can result in retrieving irrelevant information. Thirdly, generation quality metrics such as Blue and Rouge assess the quality of generated text by comparing it to reference responses. These metrics measure factors like fluency, coherence, and information completeness. By evaluating the quality of generated text, these metrics provide valuable insights into the system's ability to generate high-quality responses. Fourthly, response time is an essential metric that assesses the system's ability to quickly retrieve and generate a response. This is particularly crucial for real-time applications where speed and timeliness are critical. Lastly, coverage assesses whether the system retrieves a comprehensive set of relevant documents or knowledge, influencing the generated response's quality. This metric is important as it ensures the system has access to a broad range of information, enabling it to provide more accurate and comprehensive responses. In summary, evaluating the performance of our RAG system using a combination of these metrics provides a comprehensive understanding of its strengths and weaknesses, enabling improvements and optimizations to be made.